guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good and welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you a complete checklist of camping. I already uploaded my camping video but it doesn't have full details, so today I'm going to make a new video with full details. If you like this video, please do subscribe for future notifications and don't forget to share. These are items which are more or less essentials as per our camping experience. It will at least make your camping a nice experience. You can add and subtract as per your needs. This is tent and this is 4-person tent. Always buy 4-person tent for 2-person and 6-person tent for 4-person. Go with some recognized brands such as Coleman. Rainfly is must for keeping water away in rain. This is the inside view of tent and it has a net window from inside and door is also very easy to open. This is tarp. Tarp is for putting under the tent. Go for a size slightly bigger than tent. It is to prevent any moisture seeping from under the tent and kind of cushion under it. This is the air mattress which we have used many times. Always bring a size which is smaller than tent to allow some space for other items. Don't forget the pump for the air mattress. This is the pump for air mattress and you can also buy electric pump. This is blanket and quilt. Blankets and quilts depending on the weather, but generally take 2 lightweight blanket. Bring in darker colors to avoid stains. You can bring a bed sheet also. This is pillow. Pillow is for comfort. Bring from home or you can invest in air pillows also for lighter weight. Sleeping bag for kids. This is lights. Bring multiple types lights. Buy one solar also and remember to keep some extra batteries. This is umbrella for easy movement in case of rain or if it is too much sunny. Water bottles. Always keep enough water for drinking and cooking purpose. This is ice cooler and this is also from Coleman. If you have meats, dairy items, juice or any items which need cooler temperature, bring a cooler. A 50 quarts wheel cooler is a nice size. This is chair and you can hold it like this. Bring foldable camping chairs to sit and around the fire. This is canopy. If possible, bring a canopy for protection from sun or rain. It can be used on beaches also if you are going to visit around your campsite. This is extension cord. Since electric outlets are generally at a center place, bring an extension cord at least 20 feet in length. Buy a good quality outdoor cord with 3-pin outlet. This is fan. Based on the season and location, it can make it a nice experience to fight those hot and cold nights. A good sleep is must to enjoy a good camping. This is clothes bag. A bag of clothes and toiletries. Bring enough clothes but not too much. Dress comfortably for the weather. Hats and sunglasses. Always carry hats and sunglasses with you in camping for sun protection. This is mosquito repellents. Bring mosquito sprays or creams to make those annoying mosquitoes go away. Also can use mosquito candles or coils around camping area. This is medical kit for any kind of medical emergency. This is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is very important due to COVID. Sleeper is for walking around in campsite and extra shoes and socks in case the primary shoes get dirty or wet. Keep this in car. Paper towels for cleaning purpose or kitchen purpose. Electric stove is for cooking quick meals. It is also good for making tea and coffee. This is propane grill and it's optional for making grill items. Fast for large group. Cook first in propane grill and finish off in charcoal one. Bring in a propane can. This is charcoal grill for the smoky barbecue flavor of grilled items, being enough charcoals for the camping duration. This is box of food items. Add some kitchen utensils like one big pot for fire, two knives, one omelette pan, one teapot, one heavy spatula, one tong, one wooden spatula. No camping is camping without campfire. Bring enough dry wood to last the camping duration. You can grill corns, pineapples, marshmallows, potatoes, eats in fire. Always carry fire starter and matches. For starting the fire and charcoals, bring matches, lighters, lighter fluid as per your need. And always carry one light jacket. Weather can turn anytime at camp location, so be prepared. Keep this in car. We have already used all these items in our camping, so I think these are enough for a good camping. And one more thing, don't forget to carry a sunscreen lotions with you. My next video will be about how camping is possible in India and what kind of camping we can do in India and how camping is done in America. So please share this video anyone who wants to go camping.